We reviewed problems 5, 6, 7, and maybe 8. 9 is greater than or equal to negative 2m plus 2 minus 3. I'm going to add 2m to both sides. That's going to give me 2m plus 9 is greater than or equal to negative 1. Next, I subtract 9 from each side. That gives me 2m greater than or equal to negative 10. Finally, I divide both sides by 2. That gives me m greater than or equal to negative 5. M can be equal to negative 5, so I use a closed circle, and m can be anything bigger than that. There we go. Number 6. Gonna need scratch paper for this one to expand my terms. That gives me negative 3 minus 6 times the quantity 4x plus 6 is greater than negative 111. That gives me negative 3 minus 6 times 4x is negative 24x. Negative 6 times positive 6 is negative 36 is greater than negative 111. Minus 3 minus 36 is negative 39. Negative 24x minus 39 is greater than negative 111. Next, I add 39 to both sides. Plus 39 is equal to plus 39. That is going to give me negative 24x is greater than negative 72. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry 1, 11. Okay. Negative 24x is greater than negative 72. Divide both sides by negative 24. When I divide by a negative number, the inequality sign reverses. X is less than 3. How do I graph x is less than 3? Well, here is 3. My x can't be equal to 3, so I use an open circle, and anything smaller than that is just fine. Number 7, a very similar problem. Six minus 4 times the quantity 6n plus 7 is greater than or equal to 122. That gives me 6. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24n. Negative 4 times positive 7 is negative 28. Greater than, oh dear, you can't see a thing I'm writing. I've distributed the negative 4. Is greater than or equal to 122. Combine like terms if I have any. Negative 24n minus 22 is greater than or equal to 122. Add 22 to both sides. That gives me negative 24n greater than or equal to 144. Divide both sides by negative 24. And let's see, might that be 6? We can check on the calculator, but I am willing to bet that n is going to be less than or equal to negative 6. How do I graph it? Less than or equal to, if it can be equal to negative 6. I used a closed circle. N can be anything less than that, so I go to the left.